With operation complete, you're ready to begin the line removal. First, check the direction shown on your screen to see which way the truck will move when you turn the speed dial on your high pressure pendant. If you need to change direction, press the center direction button on your pendant. Once the direction on your screen matches where you want to go, turn the speed dial to the right to increase speed and begin moving the truck. When you're ready, turn on the high pressure water by pressing the HP water button on the pendant. As the truck moves forward and you're reaching the spot where you want to remove markings, lower the arm by pushing down on the jib up down float switch. After you've finished removing the line, reduce the truck speed by turning the speed dial to the left. Press the HP water button on the pendant to turn the water off. Finally, raise the arm by flipping up on the jib up down float switch. You've now completed the line removal process for the StarJet SRV-2. In the next video, we'll walk through the shutdown procedures step by step. If you need additional training, please give us a call at 800-441-5059.